Did you know that, according to the American Heart Association, if you add a cup of vegetables or fruits to your diet, it severely improves your health and well-being?
I have heard that.
Cool.
And you can get that cup at your local Subway.
Oh, at Subway.
You can.
Eat fresh.
What would you put on your sub?
Fruit-wise?
Veggies,
Anything?
fruits, anything you'd like.
Tomatoes, lettuce. I don't know. Maybe I could try putting a peach on there, maybe.
Maybe some type of berries, strawberries or grapes or something. Make it like a walnut fruit salad sandwich type, something of that nature. It's a good idea.
That's good. I like that.